Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mezz token. Now the Mezz token just got listed yesterday on CoinMarketCap. Ticker symbol is MEZZ. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Mezz token. So their official webpage is mezz.world. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap along with their Etherscan, Twitter, Medium, Telegram, full white paper, price chart, and contract address. Token price today is about $4.25 per token, and this token's actually down right now 6.26%, which isn't a whole lot, but it is down today. Now, how do you get this token? It's an Ethereum token, so you can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap or Sushiswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Mezz token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You could find it on their Etherscan, which is listed on CoinMarketCap, or their webpage or white paper as well. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap or Sushiswap. According to their Etherscan, right now they have 191 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 million tokens. So, what is the Mezz token? Well, Mezz token is the utility token of the Mezz platform, a DeFi platform for users to engage in acquisition and liquidation of NFTs and other crypto assets through bidding-backed collateral extension. The name Mezz is inspired by mezzanine finance, which is a traditional finance and used in mergers and acquisitions. With the Mezz platform, the acquisition of an NFT or other crypto asset functions as the target acquisition in analogy to mezzanine finance, with an under-collateralized buyer being supported by the mezzanine financer to complete an acquisition. So it says after a user connects their Web3 wallet, they can choose to be a buyer or a bidder. If the user is a buyer, they can select an NFT or other crypto asset to request acquiring, an amount of collateral deposited, and repayment terms to the bidder. If they are a bidder, they can select from requested NFT or other crypto asset acquisitions created by prospective buyers and provide the collateral difference required for the transaction and acceptance of repayment terms from the buyer. Mezz utility tokens are required in conjunction with the ETH to facilitate either a buyer request or a buy fulfillment as a bidder. Once an asset is selected and partial ETH is committed to purchase the asset, the intent to purchase is displayed on a publicly accessible review section on the Mezz platform where bidders can browse, select a fulfill and remaining ETH requirement, and complete the purchase of the asset in question. The buyer can retract their intent to purchase any time until a bidder commits to fulfill the purchase, where at that point the asset is held in escrow on the Mezz platform. The bidder cannot retract their committed bid after the purchase is fulfilled, where at that point the asset is held in escrow by the Mezz platform awaiting repayment. If the buyer repays in time, the NFT or other crypto asset will be sent to the buyer, and if the user does not repay in time, the asset will be sent to the bidder automatically. If the buyer repays within the repayment term selected, the Mezz platform will route the repayments to the bidder, and they will be notified of successful repayment upon connecting their wallet to the Mezz platform and paying a Mezz fee. If the buyer fails to repay the bidder in time, the bidder may choose to liquidate at an arbitrary time after the repayment term is past due after paying a Mezz fee. So, their Twitter is at Mezz Token. So far they have 2,705 followers. They just joined in December 2022. So this is a very brand new project. So in a nutshell, it says, Mezz is a DeFi platform for users to engage in acquisition and liquidation of NFTs and other crypto assets through bidding-backed collateral extension. Now, they do have Medium articles if you want to read that, an introduction to advisors, it says, and they have different Medium articles that talk about that type of stuff. They're talking about how they just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Lots of different Medium articles, it says here, like an introduction to bidding-backed collateral extension, that type of things you could read about. 255 tweets, so they're very active on their socials here, so that's good to see. Now, on their Twitter, or sorry, on their Medium, they have 4 different articles so far. They have tokenomics and distribution as one of their Medium articles. So a lot of it is split up between liquidity reserves. So they have 3 different liquidity reserves. They have team treasuries, team and advisors, circulating development wallet 1 and 2, and full circulation is 283,333 Mezz tokens. Looks like it's split up like this. So 41.7% goes to liquidity reserve, 30% goes to team treasuries, and 28.3% goes to venture capital. So that's how the token is split up. You can also check out their Telegram, other socials. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Mezz token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.